Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and you'd like to have the percentage on the status bar just like I have, simply enter the settings and here let's find the battery. Now let's tap on the battery percentage, and as you can see here we've got three different options. Probably you've got this one, so only the battery indicator, so do not show the battery percentage. We can show it outside the battery icon, so the option I had previously applied, or inside the battery icon, and as you can see it is smaller, so it can fit inside the battery. However, it's still visible and it takes less takes less space, so it needs less space to be displayed. So it's of course up to you which option you prefer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.